Mechiachia baby I will be numering. It's a beautiful thing to have your life. Auntie Mechia baby I will be Ghana share so Mwamu Kumasi Accra Tamale Tema Volta region and I him a bonus Obuasi baby I will be ampacho Mechiao Mwamu Abruchri Italy, Spain, Germany, US for Apacho Michiamo. Salutes, Gladys and Bruce. Obed, I believe you're doing great. Josephine Boateng, greetings. I believe you're doing great. Noah, how you doing? I believe you're doing great in South Africa. Tony Silas, how you doing? I believe you're doing great. Leave a comment at the comment section so that I can commend you for that. Panda, how you doing? I believe you're doing great. Kojapia Sante, Madaroma Michewa Nimri, Panda Multimedia for Mwamuola and Sunyana Michiamo. It's a beautiful thing to have you live. And this very evening. I shouldn't have come live because probably tomorrow is Friday and we're going to have a live telecast. But I'm China live telecast and tea. Mama was in Amichiamo. Besemini Mudin Komoki to be. Nah, Mami Akuya, I believe you're doing great. How is life treating you in the States? And Besamino Mudin Komoki to a Bename cut it off. Now, Bia Ubishiani Biano. Oh, Quadrapia Sante. I say, Prophet, what to send the oil money, please? Quadro and one T-crown more life you. But your betting cray now, what? Ti abubiamanie to say yini akodwa pia sante ebi say the woman say no kwasemuni mo aye late a mo antimi answer ndi musika nyina me pa cho mo nkipi ndipa de o de no kora ye adwuma enu mom ye say obeya azan to say you are Quadrapia Santi, Abu say was a prophet. Where should I send the oil money to? Me pacho any dear kwaso. Moa munyan send him with the me can say on the 21st. Nine kaya close but Mr. Monkey Piscano, if you say oil not shorty. Oil not shorty. Oil no a shorty. It is a mukojusika. Ne come say as I be na mayo because binya oil and farm. Oil na me produce yen in me 3,000 bottles. 3,000 bottles no. Remove 500 na year for special seed. And special seed for no so. O my ya mani na asa. Aka 490 a cup. And the aka 10 pe and cry na me de kwa so ka 29 for no cry me nyanka metwam ka menye. Oh 29 for no me nyanka metwam ka menye because all you na me de be na sa. And before say me import be free Israel, Emra Ghana no so no. Na time corner 29th netwam because probably it will take about 3 weeks to get here. Timichia Jennifer Pia Sante. Oh, what's it, Papa? You were in Ghana and you couldn't see me on Kafra. I was also in America and I couldn't see you. Why? What happened? All the same, I mean, sure. Inti, 10 na kano. Me special seed in pain phobia. Remember 29 for the reserve for them. The 250 na canon was for people a normal seed. And so no aka 200 bottles per. And na me de call assault them. Say be din chim na mbeji usika online anhwa na mantimi ama oil bia. If you say oil aka sisia 210 bottles per. The aka nyina asa Edilongo. Sia one, please. Can you pick it up? Pick what I've just been watching. Can you please come further and then explain things to me? So that's what I was saying. Asa, she say, "Aka last batch, last batch for the cromway." I'm gonna make detail. Usha paper iswa. Omo maka omo badge ni bini. Aka last batch, aka third batch. You be shipun Monday. You suppose I know we are butchery for no. Not just say no. Okay. Josephine Boateng, I have reserved some for you specially. Okay. I learned you be coming to Ghana and my job be special. So Baswana mama dia mo be fast cry and and went to the mama bar life. And I have received a lot of messages on WhatsApp. Ebina me saw camera mo de tata me say oil no mo pese mo seniska me pacho asa. Yeah. Okay, you can pick the number and send me Edilongo. Take this number 0540770896. You add the country's code +233 to it. Enunti misro any die kwaso me buo bia. I respect everybody, but no kwasem say oil nasa. It is em koju sika anhwa na pressure na manfo de mame no, because utim say nipa ba ko say papa o ka say 21st na closing way nipa 21st no kra nso enti ama ye twem. Can say oil na santi mama close it down. Etimu adodo na mo send me message or WhatsApp on me patcho ma respond to mo say asa enti say ye twen say bi ba memo ama ya we oil no answer ensoje enitina na me catch say ubetimi asa ni usika ntentem na wa ba baji. Hey. So that's the whole issue. That's the main reason why that I came live to tell you people say, wow, America, wow, Canada, wow, Germany, wow, UK, wow, Italy, Spain, if I be Netherlands, Holland, Poland, Switzerland, Russia, Ukraine, if I be Oman, Qatar, if I be wow, Bobika. Now one send you sika bia me pacho men send it, keep it. Na if I be before why? Because o send ya minya oil on farmer asa oil na short. The aka my didn't catch him that I said no na my reserve for 29th. She say me the mawa, which means I was saying me cancel 29th no men yet. Flip uswapa me pacho me chiao. Enti that's the whole secret. Eti apia sante wadaroma we die ni die kwaso. Mwana mkrokro patafo but we die ni die kwaso. Ye mompa ye hwɛ the next batch. Why? Mefa kwan bi so na makra foforo de amam. Why? Me dan wase. Eti nyame hyramo. Nyame hyramo mu nyina. Anyimre minim sɛ nyame adom ho ye. Onyame ntra mu ahyew. Afisi so Zenete mana mo ye MPP fo no. Me chia mu nyina so what ase. MPP fo amu ha nyina me chia mu Philip Uzopa. Ene MPP fo amu di mechi. Opatafo fans amu your friend say Germany, Italy, Spain, Canada, more UK, Mo mo USA mo mo Nkran mo Kumasi mo ye MPP fu nyina mechia mo mechia mo na no ebi ni mu bisabisa me message papa den we dwa MPP sa me ndwa MPP David me ndwa MPP. I love MPP, I love NDC. It's just that the truth must be told. Sometimes you need to keep your leaders on their toes so that they can do the right thing. That's the only thing that I'm doing. I don't hate anybody. Good. And the MPP for them come to me. Why? Next 4 years, we are on year. Best I'm power. Which you na yamin come also so. Our face. I was actually discussing something with you people. Idea was all tears in the next year. If we next year echo, we have entered into a different dimension, a realm. Yigna ye koto a ye dragon ni kukum. Tienye ye koto dragon ni kukum. Fashe utilim. Usually no eya nanka zenetefo eduru sa me say ya enanka asori dem meka secret bi ewo bia kire wo mo. If we say every year bia no ya meta etichi ewo asori dem ma kire wo mo de beba wa afinim ansa nanka ma be true prophecy, but true prophecy no majai ena this year so me share down kwa sorry. Amajima, very good evening to you. I believe you're doing great. What I say? The issue here is you enter into a different dimension. Dimension where we have entered into a dragon state. Now, say Ura dragon state. Now, I'll say the year 2030. TNU, America di wiase so akodru the year 2030. Na omudru 2030 na power na ekura omo no ebe shifty. Now a shifty a ebe kwa kodi baby kakra. Aw say sa dragon na waba no. Sa dragon we ena ebe ye niyama bibiri ewu wiase. Na obeye niyama miensa. Na men can fancho, but the metron say, and I'm say I enter into a dragon state ninti. I want you to be brave, if you say, I say dragon the num a jenny ho ne ha na ye a jano. Nana the down call kufu at the time. Na ye that dragon the num. More Ghana na muntie ye. More Ghana muntie ye. Mo Ghana muntie ni ye na kufu ado dan kwa time na ye da dragon nanu. After the 4 years 2025 on the 8th of January ekon e baba be da dragon ne koko enti Ghana fo ho be hyehye wo saa munya sunwie ahokyere ne be chen na ado time mahama aba no ahokyere ne be chen na ado time adintia because we have entered into a different dimension. Na sa dragon state na ya wura mu ninti no eja na ewo dragon ne kokko ha no ebi be hye mo enu ti na meka kire obo say mun save sika no asekire ano no enye say me na me be kire o say de obesi ahande usika ana me na me be kire obibi ama waye me pa cho ani die kwaso bibi ani wasa wo a obre ye na onya usika no unim how obesi handle, but because of say Ghana in particular, ya enter into a dragon state where ya dragon in ABD is so much. Is so much. Maximum ends I'm about to make you. Is so much. And into Ghana baby save sika. Me bo koko save sika na we ase be yedin. We ase be yedin. If you say aboa no koko na ye kogu no ye enche bia ye kogu ye gu a ye nya asundwi eja na opu ni ntini ye ho be hyehye ye be de o manim saa ma ye twa 2028 awie TNA, and into fashion trim, and into a day 48 months to paradise. Make this video be by me 48 months to paradise. No, only the India. So season 48 months and check here 4 years pepe. It is 4 years we na die animu no ja. It one save scar now ye mistake our so be save scar. America for so more just 6 years to rule the world. After 6 years, China for be take over. China for take over. After 6 years now, will be 2030. Till free 2030, China be rule the world. China rule the world. Be take 50 years. 50 years and Sana to me as I back to Africa. And the China and a bit correct to me more last. I'm Sana back Africa. And roughly Africa will bear 56 to 60 years. And Sana ancient civilization and new cry and be abrofon by and channel. So by your back. Now, so 56 to 60 years, you know, there were 4 great major events. Biwa ebesi wo Africa asase so. Amaya man bebrebe onyankopon be hwie saa oman no ede omagu ade foforom. Enu nti fa hye otirim. Tina wo Ghana me se save sika. Me meye waza me kan kra chro. Odi me mfiri nyame kra na odi me se save sika. Odi let me be a false prophet and save money. I love it when you save money. Yes, China will rule for 50 years because it is China that will take the world's technology to a different dimension. It is China for and the UFO, unidentified flying object. So I didn't make UFO. China for omo de be sa portal no, sa gate no, omo de be ama sa entities no. Someone will say sa entities no maybe in can badada. Sa UFO no, unidentified flying object and extraterrestrial beings no, and the sa entities no man badada. But enyanye bebre e wo wiase. Nemum China for abra 2 million be di China for hono. Omo de be bie kwan e de amomo. Na UFO for no extraterrestrial beings ne entities omo living in a different dimensions no. Omo timi bie kwan mo no matimi abayasa asiso aba betena. And the world is like a circle. It is say tete wono no civilization ebe kura Lamek mo time and civilization mi ba ya extraterrestrials ne entities to say the watchers and I said Gregoris omo ba wi ase so omo be boni pa ho ban a omo ne ema na wo ho edit die as at that time and omo wo yen. That thing is going to repeat itself after 56 to 60 years. It will repeat itself. I'm praying that you witness it yourself. And after China has taken power from America, what will happen is that UFO and those things will become common in the airwaves. So it will not be news anymore. The extraterrestrials will become common in the hearts of people. I believe more America, more India, Germany, Italy, UK, more many hubi. But she say na aye hu na ade bi say space shuttle na tuna na wie bo se na ade bi na wie but omu hu ade kode na asoso nkania wo hu bebrebe ene e from UFO, unidentified flying object. Anunti it has China for the be in park see because after 6 years now we have fully matured and entered into the robotic stage. TNA, after 6 years, the world will become fully prepared for us to embrace or welcome the robotic stage. The robotic stage will rule for about 50 years. TNA, 50 to 60 years. Until once Chinese people takes over the world, and it means we as humans are going to live here. What you say? We humans are going to live here on earth with extraterrestrial entities. What you say? In the fashion team, I ain't saying the enemy to me a culture because of this. Nneɛma bi wɔ a mentimi nka nkyerɛw ɛma w'adwene nni bible so bebrebe saa meka ne kora kyerɛw ɛma w'adwene nni bible so bebrebe ɛne false miracles ne false preaching na ɛkɔ so no unnecessary prayers. You pray, it is good for you to pray, but I mean you need to gain illuminations in order for you to prepare yourself ahead of time so that you don't sit down for these things to elude you. Oh, I won't say bomb pie dear, but the me pese or patafuo nipa bi odi machi bia na eye ne say or prepare ne ho edihia de nam kwam na eba no se ne be ye betis enye te say ase unimu hwe na wotem na bibia befa wo no mu da bi da prepare ho if you say de nam wiase a anase de nam kwam a eba no. What you say? Prepare ho. This is what is on the way coming. Enti Ghana for the 4 years here dam ani mo amane pa yi America for so egusu or more prepare to lose everything to China after 6 years. Enti China be really 6. You see, it is in the prophecy. What I say, there's something that we call the Ionian Sea. So, okay, Ionian Sea, the Ionian Sea, that is where they took what we call the book of Revelations from. Initially, the book of Revelations, let me keep my mouth mute. So, you see, after 6 years, then Chinese takes over the world, then you get yourself prepared to receive UFO. It will become rampant everywhere. Ebanesa nipa ne ahonhom na betena asase so physical. Na ebanesa emimu die bedoso or how bedoso if you say robot de onu or ni moja enti we wu nipa de a on fele. What you say? Enasa species no omu integrated that robotic stage, you know. Ebedru on na is a lot. And to America, no aboa ho, to UK aboa ho. Now there's a lot on the way coming. There's a lot on the way coming. China has only 6 years left to take over the whole world, and all the world will bow to China. They have only 6 years. After 4 years, you know, it's left with 2 years for Chinese people to take over the whole world, cripple the whole world's economy, and then take over the lead in terms of infrastructure, advancement in technology, advancement in education, advancement in medicine, advancement in agriculture, advancement in everything. That is China. Wow. And Timichiao. Sometimes when we tell you some of these things, you think we are lying. And leave these pastors, they are joke. Let me tell you, I am more than a pastor, right? What I know, I don't say it publicly for people to know. Because what I know, if I am to tell you, you can't sleep at night. So that's the whole issue. Enti, prepare yourself. If you live in Ghana, prepare yourself for the hardship ahead. Why? Prepare. Unya bibi kakra fa bibi sie. Unya 1 CD ana de bia sie. Unya 2 CDs ana de bia sie. Don't be wasting on things just like that. So big ups to you, especially you people who have been doing the following since day one. I broke on the internet I think 2019, and most of you people have been following me on 2019 till date. I really appreciate it. Sometimes it is not easy using your hard-earned currency to buy data to watch me. It's a privilege, and I am Much more grateful. Thank you, most of you people too, who have not denied me your resource. The little you realize from your establishment, your job centers, at the end of the month, you people are able to remember me and drop in something for me to also laugh. In spite of what you go through, you have a lot of expenses to take care of. A lot of people who are actually looking up to you, but yet you still remember OPATAFUOR and try as much as possible and put laughter on my face. I think it's a privilege, and it's not by force. Yes, but it's a privilege, and you people have showed me love and mercy, favor and grace. Yes, that's how I see it. I don't deserve it, but you have shown me, and I'm much grateful. Me da was nyame Israel. Afi mu de ohwere bia nyame Israel. Nyame Israel. Me da was nyame Israel. Enti uti unia bi nka na afi no obesende ne sika. E de abeji oil ano aka kire so OPATAFUOR say oil no asa sisi a de shipu kwa abrochiri na na ase de kọ abonten no asa. Ana mo akra ne kuma tema ne voter region so a mo request for oil me pa cho asa enti ha ho nse ni sika na ra na ya nyahwe amfa nse de apart from wo mo a on be ba sorry we no kakra na aka na oba na ye hard na onya bia na de ko, but I'll make sure to say mo anya bia wa anya bi wo aso down bia me mfa me nsa en so sika nim, right? Because minya oil mfama nyame Israel michio bibia asunwie mu nyame Israel mu nyina. God bless you all. I really respect you people. Peace.